guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. I know it's been a while since I posted here, but I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the ponytails that I'm restocking on my website. They will be available for pre-sale. And this one is a Velcro attachment, and I'm just showing you here how to install it. I'm sorry that I recorded this with two black sides. Sometimes I forget to turn my camera. I'm new to this, so I'll get used to it and I'll get it together soon. But yeah, this is the first one. It's called Jocelyn, and it's a kinky straight. I love this one. It's so cute and it's easy to install. Just put your hair in a bun and attach it, and you're ready to go. It's just the perfect ponytail. It's my favorite. The next one is called Ari, and this is a kinky curly. It has two combs and a drawstring, and it's just like Jocelyn. Well, no, Jocelyn is a Velcro, and Ari is a drawstring, but she's like Jocelyn just in the way it's very easy to install her as well. And I'm just showing you here how I attach it to my bun. Yeah, see, these are so cute, right? Oh my gosh. I just love these. It's just easy to switch up your hairstyle. These are all color 1B. I don't have any other colors at this time. It's pretty difficult to get these in different colors right now. So if your hair is a natural black color, these will match your hair. Mine's is a natural black 1B. Um, yeah. So and the next one is called Mia, and it's a puff. It's a curly puff, and it's a drawstring as well. It has two combs and a drawstring, and you attach it just like you attach the last one, Ari. It's pretty simple, pretty easy stuff here. So, yeah, go ahead and visit me on my website, adornedbysharice.com, if you would like to purchase a ponytail. Again, these are for pre-sale. They will ship in 7 to 14 business days from California. I'm in California. And yeah, so I would go ahead and get these. These are perfect for spring and summer. Switch up your style. And my earrings that I'm wearing are also from my boutique. I make these by hand, so each pair is one of a kind. Go ahead and visit me. I'll go ahead and leave the link below in the description or in the comments. And stay tuned because more videos are coming up. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.